everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's America Riley, and today we are doing my mini apartment tour. I've been here for about a year now. I live in Las Vegas. I'm getting ready to move. My place isn't fully furnished, but it's something. So yeah, let's take a tour. My 75-inch screen TV, my work area, my books. I like the fact that I have a light right there. Illuminates everything. Apollo's eating area. My fruit basket, my sink of course. My stove. This is really cute. The kitchen is the heart of the home. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Clean up everything. Excuse me. That's my baby's toys. I had some lights going up, but they just keep falling. So as you can see, it's time for me to move into a bigger spot. But anyways, let's go into my room. Oh, by the way, that's my printer and all my other stuff. So this is my room. I love it. This is Apollo's kennel. This is like my bougie vanity mirror that I made. My lights. I love my bed. I got my bed from Wayfair. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Got my lights from Amazon. Got those from Amazon. I got my mirror from Lowe's, I believe. Yeah, this is my room. Here's my bougie background for when I'm making my TikTok videos. And here's my bathroom. Nice spacious bathroom with my closet. I keep my uniform and Air Force stuff up there. My dresser's there. But yeah, that's my closet. I have to fix that. But here's my washer and dryer. I have a light here too. And then here's my storage. It's Apollo's food right there. And there goes Apollo again, smelling fragrances. Well, that's my mini apartment tour. If you want to check out what I have in my fridge, nothing but healthy. Back up. No. Nothing but waters in my fridge and stuff like that. Yeah. Welcome to my apartment, you guys. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Come here. Say goodbye. He says goodbye. Oh. Bye.